Hello, welcome to Manhattan Zodiac Virtual Bar. My name is Yana and I will be your bartender. Today we are covering how to make the Classic Martini cocktail, and I'm going to show you how to make this cocktail using one of the very first original recipes. Just a little background on the cocktail. Allegedly, it was invented by Jerry Thomas in 1870s. He was working in the Occidental Hotel in Martinez, California, and a miner who just struck gold came to the bar to celebrate. And so Jerry just whipped up this cocktail for him because they ran out of champagne. So this is one of the most commonly accepted stories, but really who knows what the truth is. Okay, let's get started. For the classic recipe, they were using gin back then, and most professional bartenders are also sticking by this recipe as well these days. So what are we going to need? We are going to need some dry vermouth, gin, orange bitters, a lemon for garnish, for a twist. Of course, you're going to need ice, you're going to need a mixing glass, a bar spoon, a strainer, and a martini glass. Of course, if you don't have these exact tools and ingredients at home, there are many ways that you could substitute. All right, let's get started. So, let's move this out of the way. 2 ounces of gin, one ounce of dry vermouth, two dashes of orange bitters, fill your mixing glass with ice, and stir it for about 20 rotations or so. Pour it out into the glass. I'm going to cut up my garnish a little bit to make it look prettier. Okay. Twist. Put the zest over the glass and throw it in. And there you go. This is the Classic Martini cocktail. Let's try it. Stirred, not shaken, you guys. Cheers.